Baby love love. Okay, I prepare your cookies, okay? You sit there, you sit there. Kaya nakiklining pa si Mami. Sit down. Grabe na siya attire, guys. Grabe siya mag-attire. Kung ano-anong ginagawa. Ang hilig ng aking baby na yan. My baby love love. Okay. I prepare your your cookies. Look. Okay, bye guys. Bye guys.
Bye.
Give daddy kiss. Yeah. Okay. Grabe na aking baby na yan. Oh, anong correct? Good morning, baby!
Good morning.
Ay! Ang paborito niyang damit. Yan ang paborito niya, guys. Ayaw ko na sana yan ipasuot. Kaso, nakita niya. Tinago ko na yan. Kay Pamigay, ayan, kinalkal niya. Nahanap niya ang paborito niyang damit.
Hi, Daddy.
Where's that, Helen?
He's sleeping.
She's still sleeping. Oh, it's ready now. Come on. You want to sit there? Outside? Or you just sit here? What is that, baby?
Croco.
Croco. Wow, it's so beautiful. You have another color?
Yeah.
Okay, say hi to Daddy over here.
Hi, Daddy.
I cannot see you. Okay, like this. Over here, look. My baby, focus na focus, oh. Yay! Ang aking mga babies, bagong gupit, oh.
Sorry.
Maglilinis pa ako, guys. Hi, Jade. Okay, huwag niyo kalimutan yung yung pang, ng basura. Hello, baby. Love, Roxy. Maliligo ang baby na yan mamaya. Maliligo. Maglilinis kami. Anak yung mga chikiting nandun. Hoy, makalabas yan. Maglilinis ako. Mamaya, pagdating nila. King bilib-ilab-lab. Focus! Nakapokus siya mag-drawing. Galing naman ng baby ko na yan. Ano? What is that?
Croco.
Croco?
His name is Croco and his nickname is Cookie.
Ay, Cookie. Ang lam-lam na yan. No? Namula na naman ang ilong.
No!
Wow! What is that?
I don't have legs.
What is dino? You draw, wow, it's beautiful crocodile. Look at that.
That's my shoe.
Oh, crocodile is there.
Yeah.
Oh, ang ganda ng crocodile niya. Alam
Look,
na.
I'm smiling.
Wow, he's smiling. Wow. And you? He's smiling too? Wow. Galing.
It's just the same.
Yeah. It's the same way yan. Ang ilang. Nagdugo na.
Hi, Daddy.
Come on, like this. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, Daddy's drawing, Edie.